Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this educational tips on your social media platforms. Immerse in the world of data analysis where Excel and Power BI, two giants, vie for supremacy. Excel, a longtime favorite, is a spreadsheet tool known for its versatility. It allows you to manually enter data, perform complex calculations, and create simple visuals. It's like a trusty old friend, reliable, but not without its limitations. Enter Power BI, a dynamic visualization tool. It's the new kid on the block, transforming raw data into interactive dashboards. Power BI's strength lies in handling large data sets and providing real-time updates, something Excel struggles with. But remember, it's not a battle of superiority but of compatibility. Excel and Power BI, when used together, can work wonders, making data analysis not just efficient but also engaging. So the real question isn't about choosing between Excel and Power BI, but understanding how to harmonize them for a symphony of data analysis.